There is another brand new indicator that shows the ICT order blocks and as well as the sessions liquidity. And this indicator helps us to really know liquidity, especially on sessions. Okay. And I remember like one day ago, there is somebody who commented on my videos and told me that she has a problem, like she don't know the right time to trade and which pair to really trade. And basically I've decided to do this video. I know she's going to watch this video and this video will enlighten her on when she's supposed to execute trades, simply because this indicator is showing us liquidity and the ICT order blocks. Okay, so guys, all I'm planning to do in this video is showing you the indicator and how you can really use the indicator to spot this liquidity and the order blocks in each and every trading session. So remember, we have a New York session, we have the London session, we have the Sydney session. We trade these sessions depending on how we understand it. Okay, so I will show you how you can go about it, and definitely knowing the liquidity and knowing about the order blocks on these sessions, this will help you to really know your key levels, and definitely you'll be able to really execute trades. Okay, anyway guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's your first time you came across my channel, I welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. Okay, so guys, directly I really want us to add the indicator right away. Once I add the indicator, I'm going to explain to you the purpose of this indicator and how it's going to help you to really execute trades. Okay, the only thing you need is a Tradingview account, so just going to click on indicators tab right there. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type the session liquidity. I'm just going to click on this one, session liquidity by Infinity Trading. Click on it. Once you click on it, definitely this is how it appears right on our chart. And basically just going to click on settings, simply because I really want us to see the 3 sessions. So make sure the first sessions is completely ticked, the second sessions as well. So just going to activate the that session lines. Okay, make sure you activate the 4 parts. Once you do like that, click on OK. Once you click on OK, this is how it appears right on our chart. So as you can see right here, these sessions that is really taking place right now. So this session liquidity indicator, it creates dynamic horizontal lines at the high and low points of a specified time span within the trading day. This indicator gives the user control of 3 separate time spans, so the user can dynamically see the highs and lows of their favorite daily time span. So the purpose of this indicator as well, it's made independently controllable lines to spot the ICT order blocks and easily identify liquidity calls. And as well as we saw before, it can help you really spur the highs and the low points of a specified time span. And time span right here refers to your session right here. So whenever you will see these lines over here, they will help you, number one, know the highs and lows of the trading span of the specified time span. Okay, and number 2, they're going to help you really know the ICT order blocks, and number 3 as well, it's going to help you know the liquidity pulse. So what made me really understand about this indicator and as well how you can really use it to really trade, you can just keep in mind there is liquidity on these low and highs over here. So this helps you really know that it has added, you know, the accuracy on this level over here, simply because when price came to this level over here, you can see there was indeed a rejection that really pushed the market to the downside. And as well, when price came to this lower line over here, you can see the market really pushed to the upside. So to really understand more about this indicator, you must know, number 1, showing you a lot of things at the same time, the highs and the lows, the ICT order blocks, and as well is going to show you the liquidity. And this is evident right here, simply because when price came to this level over here, there was indeed great momentum over here that pushed the market to the upside, and this New York session opened and the market really pushed to the upside. Okay, the same applies whenever you will see price approaching to the level, the price has a probability to be pushed downward, and when it approaches another line, it has a probability of being pushed to the upside. So for me, how I can use these lines over here, number 1, what I can really do is looking for confirmation. Here I can look for multiple rejection, and as well I can look and see the break of structure. So when price fails break above over here and there was a rejection, position, I can really execute my sell order immediately. Even when you will see what happened at the press, you will see the market is really respecting this zone over here. You can see it's very hard for market to really break maybe the lower line over here. It was really tested 3 times and the market was rising. Whenever it got to this level over here, it was being rejected and the market pushes to the downside. Whenever it approaches the level, the market really pushes to the upside. Okay, so guys, all I really wanted to really put across, or rather to make you understand about this indicator, it's its purpose. And as well, you can see it has these horizontal lines over here at the high and the low points of a specified time span within the trading day. And as well, the indicator gives the user control of 3 separate time span, so the user can dynamically see the highs and lows of their favorite daily time spans. And as well, the purpose is it is made independently controllable lines, you can see right here, to help you spot the ICT order blocks and easily identify liquidity pulse. So all you can put in mind is knowing the lines can help you spot the ICT order blocks, and as well it can help you identify the liquidity pulse. And as well, you can see the horizontal line, they have high and low points of a specified time span within a trading day. Okay, remember these things you can see right here, they are sessions. Okay, that's why they are using the term 3 separate time spans. But when you look closely, or rather when you watch this, depending on which country you come from, you will see these are a session that opens. I was watching around this zone yesterday and this was New York session, and earlier on before this was London session. Okay, so this will basically help you really understand what is happening in the market, and it is showing you the highs and lows of each sessions, and as well you will be able even to identify the liquidity pulse around these sessions. Okay, it's so easy, guys. The only thing you need is testing this on live market, seeing how it is behaving, knowing these are very crucial highs and lows, and you can really use them and take advantage and execute trades. Okay, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something from this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to like this video as well. And what do I say, guys? Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. So bye, see you in the next video.